All right, this idea came back to me, or came to me, not back to me. The first idea I had was about a week ago. I thought all of us are fighting and clawing for the same thing: eyeballs and friends and viewers and all that. What if we created a group, a tight knit group, that not only they were part of it, but they would help promote other creators, and we would all share our audience with each other. And most everybody I know, I don't think anybody does bad content. So my thing on the channel is the reason why I started the Jack Pack is to help people here on out. So I'm literally helping anybody who's got the heart, who loves to be a creator, who's in the food industry. And we called it the Jack Pack, kind of like the Rat Pack with Frank Sinatra. So anyway, um, I'm going to be sharing everything I've learned in 15 years on social media and YouTube. I'm going to be talking about how to market yourself, how to do things for free. Everybody loves free. There's a lot coming. If you know a food creator, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, I don't care, Threads, anywhere. Um, Let them know about the Jack Pack. And I'm literally going to try, depending on how flooded we get with people, I'm going to try and work with each one at least once, one-to-one. So I'm going to sit down with them. I'm going to give them a whole bunch of chores to do to help brand their name, to help get their videos out there, to get more people watching, more pictures, whatever platform you're on. Anyway, the Cooking with Jack show is going to give back. We're going to help people because nobody helped me. It was dog eat dog world when I started. So I think competition is long gone. Collaboration is the way to go. So we're gonna try and work this out. The details are still coming to my head. I'm writing it all down. I'll notify you in the Facebook group, the Jack Pack. So I will see you there. Tell a friend if you know a friend who doesn't, and take care. Love you.